Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Stocks with a big updraft of momentum is what we're going to talk about next with Mike Vodicka, our momentum stock strategist at Zacks.com. Got a couple of winners here, Mikey. Hill-Rom Holdings Incorporated, HRC, the ticker symbol, medical technology company, right?
Yes, this company specializes in developing highly specialized beds for hospitals and surgical procedures.
Highly specialized beds.
That's right.
I'm not even going to ask. Okay.
It's a fairly large company, market cap over $2 billion, and they've been around since 1969, so they have a kind of a nice history too. And this is a play off of the aging domestic population that's placing a lot of demand on these kinds of products and those kinds of services in general.
Right, my people.
They reported second quarter results on July 28th, and we saw some pretty solid revenue growth. Revenue was up 8% year over year, and earnings is what really was the big story. They had a 45% earnings surprise, which was really nice.
Okay.
They were able to expand their margins. The gross margin was up 440 basis points to 49%. They just about doubled their operating margin from last year, so that's really nice. You know, they're controlling their expenses, controlling costs. It's something we're definitely looking for. They used a good quarter to build up their balance sheet a little bit. Their cash position is up to $196 million. They don't really have a lot of debt. Their debt stands at only $150 million, so that's pretty solid. Yeah. We saw a nice revision on the estimates on this quarter too. The current year added 24 cents. It's up to $1.63 now. And the next year estimate, we're looking for 12% growth, so the longer term picture looks pretty solid too.
Okay.
Valuation picture, it trades at a little bit of a premium to its peers. It's trading at 20.5 times forward earnings. Its peers are trading at 19 times. And then finally, the last piece of the puzzle.
Yeah, well, we're talking about pictures.
That's right. The chart, we saw shares take a really nice jump forward on this earnings surprise. Basically, shares hit a trend line, and then they hit a new multi-year high at $35, and we're still right on that high. So some nice upward momentum right now.
Okay. And then MNRO Muffler and Brake, MNRO, the ticker symbol, is another stock that in the momentum category you've written about. And I guess everybody can guess by now, since I've drawn that out, what this company does.
Yeah, under-car repair is what they specialize in.
That's the phrase I was looking for. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of a smaller company. They have 700 plus stores nationwide, market cap of $840 million. And this is kind of a play off of what we're seeing. You know, auto sales have actually been surprisingly good this year on a relative basis compared to last year. But on an absolute basis, people are definitely hanging on to their cars longer than they have in the past. So this is a play off of them, you know, going in and getting repairs, things of that nature. They reported second quarter results on July 22nd, and we had a nice jump in revenue. Revenue was up 24% year over year. We had the nice earnings surprise, of course. Earnings came in at 61 cents per share. That was 3 cents ahead of the Zacks consensus estimate.
Okay. Pretty
solid surprise. They were able to, again, on the cost front, they were able to reduce their operating expenses to 27% of revenue from 31%. So it's kind of a 1-2 punch for this company.
Right.
We didn't see a whole lot of movement on estimates after the quarter. The current year added 2 cents. It's up to $2.02 right now. The next year estimate is pretty bullish. They're looking for 20% growth, so that's a nice long-term picture. Valuation picture, a little bit pricey, trading at 20 times forward earnings. Its peers are at about 16 right now, but not too pricey. We got some nice growth that ties into that story.
Okay.
And then finally, the last piece of the picture here is the actual picture, the chart. Recently we saw a new multi-year high at $42, and just in the last couple days, we're back right at the high at 42, so we could see a new high sometime soon.
All right. Do you own either of these two?
No, I don't.
We have other Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas for you, suggestions, call them what you will. They're in the upper right-hand corner of our homepage, Zacks.com, if you haven't been there lately. 4 new stock pick ideas, 1 in each of the investing categories that we write about daily on Zacks.com. With Mike Vodicka, I'm Terry Ruffalo.